Hi everyone. I did finish the book, but I thought I'd just show you real quick this little card that I made today for a couple, an older couple in our congregation. And yeah, I just kind of got into card making again. My husband asked me to make an anniversary card, so I did that, and then I did this one. Anyway, just a quick share. So, this is done. Yay! It's finished. It's 2 signatures. I did nothing on the back except seal it with some Mod Podge. And if you've been watching, following along, you know that Butterbee Scraps, I did some metal pieces. The little tie had beads on it, so I thought that was kind of a nice little touch. I did add some trim after all, and let's get into it. Okay, so you can see that I did the pamphlet. No, what is it called? Whatever. Can't remember the name of it. It's there on the tip of my brain, but anyways, you know what it is. And okay, here we go. All the ephemeras in it, but I have a stack that will also, not these, that's something else. These will all go with the book just because I had extras. So. And the only other thing I haven't done is taken I usually do a piece of heavy cardstock and cover it somehow and then include it in the book. That way you can tuck it underneath a page while you're journaling and you don't have to worry about the bumps and whatnot. So just real quick, just ephemera. Some of it is part of the kit. These are all part of the kit. Some of it isn't. Some of it's mine. And then that's just a flip out so you can use the entire page. That's what I did with that die that I showed you guys. Okay, so I used one of her corners and one of my corners, and this just comes out so you can still journal on the page. And it goes in really simply. But like I said before, you don't have to keep any of this stuff in there. You can slide photos in there if you want. And that's just a little stop for one of the postcards. I just love this page. And again, these are from a paper collection. I do not remember what paper collection it's from. But there was a whole bunch of them, so since they were black, I used them. Okay, so here's this page that has cut off of some tea-stained paper. I used one of my stamps just to tuck the envelope tip under. One of her postcards. I did the clock. This is a side tuck. And I think that's Prima, I believe, from a paper collection. And then this does flip up so you get the page to write on. It's just magnetized. The other part of that round die, they came in 2 sizes. There's another little envelope, and there is a little card in here. And then some more ephemera. And take that out. This also comes up. Okay, I did some really big paper clips. So there's 3 tags in there. Take the paper clip off. And on the other side, I've also put another tag. I had so many tags that I printed for some reason. And this flips up, but it also has an extra sheet. So I've got a little bit more writing on that page. And this flips up. We got more tags and postcards. Some more tissue. No, tracing. Let's call it tissue. Now this, I just really liked this piece that I had, so I just stuck it on like this. So you get the whole page, but I don't know, I just thought it was different. Okay, this flips up, and then you've got a tuck spot. This flips open, so you don't lose your page. And we've got 2 tags here. And then this flips up, and then there's a card in here as well. And the envelope has another one of these big, I don't even know what to call them. Okay, then, okay, we've got the big one here, and then a tag, and then these concert tickets, which I love. I think they're so cool. Another paper clip with another envelope. This one doesn't have anything in it, so you can do whatever you want with that one. And it, oh, I guess I should take that off because yes. Okay, so this opens like that, and then there's a tuck spot behind it. So put that one there. That one there, and then you turn the page and you've got another tag. I love this one. That's extra. Don't know why that's there. Okay, in this one I added a few sheets of note paper. And I tied it through and just left this. Oh, that's what that was for. Haha. Well, let's stick postcard. You can put a postcard in it. You can do whatever you want. I got lots of stuff here. And then the last page, we've got the fold open, and then several tags, postcards. And I think that's all. Yep, that's it. So you can even write back here if you want to. So like I said, all of this stuff, there's loads of it, is going with the book. And I don't know if it's in the store at this moment. Actually, I could probably put that in here if it fits. Yes, it does. So I'm not sure if I've got it in the store yet, but you can go check, because I still do have to make that covered postcard thingy, whatever it's called, insert. And that's it. That's the book. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And it's not super heavy either. It's kind of a nice, it's a good size. It closes super easy. It's not overly stuffed. So anyway, thanks for watching. I will, like I say, I know I've had a lot of people, you know, say sorry to see you go. I'm not going completely, just so you know. I'm not going completely. But I will be doing far less videos than I have in the past. Right now I'm purging. I'm going through my craft room. I'm really getting rid of a lot of stuff and, you know, keeping it simple. Life's just been too complicated lately. So simplifying and purging is the name of the game. So I hope everybody's still staying safe, and just because they're letting things up a little bit, don't go crazy. You know, be careful. This thing can come back super fast. So, yeah, but enjoy the weather. Enjoy your summer coming up. And hopefully, you know, I'll be able to put out 1, maybe 2 videos a month. But take care, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.